I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio lesson that helps Korean finally feel usable.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. 오늘도 같이 차근차근 배워봐요.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호입니다. 오늘은 처음 만났을 때 안전한 말투를 연습하겠습니다.
Here's my real problem. I learn a short, cute sentence from a drama, then I say it to a stranger, and suddenly it sounds rude.
맞아요. Korean is not only what you say. It is also how politely you say it.
English has tone and word choice. Korean has those too. And it also has speech levels built into sentence endings.
So the beginner rule is not just learn words. It's choose the safe ending first.
오늘의 패턴은 헤요체예요. 헤요체 is the everyday polite style. Like 가요, 먹어요, 좋아요.
존댓말 is the bigger polite category. 헤요체 is the beginner's best default inside 존댓말.
So, 존댓말,
Is the polite umbrella, and
헤어체,
is the everyday polite form I should reach for first.
예를 들어요. 처음 만났을 때는 안녕하세요가 좋아요. In English, it means hello politely.
반말로는 안녕이라고 할 수 있어요. But with a stranger, 안녕 can sound too casual or childish.
아, 안녕,
Is not wrong Korean. It's wrong distance if I don't know the person.
맞아요. 처음에는 안녕하세요. This is safe and natural.
Another example, 저는 학생이에요. This is polite and simple. I am a student.
저 is the humble, polite I. 나 is casual I. So 저는 helps you start politely.
So, if I say, 나는 학생이야,
To a new teacher, that's too casual.
네. The meaning is fine, but the relationship signal is too close for a first meeting.
Let's make the core contrast clear. 헤요체 often ends with 요.
반말 often drops 요 or uses endings like 아, 야. That can be friendly with close people, but risky with new people.
Sob is not a magic politeness sticker for every sentence, but as a beginner, I should notice it.
좋아요. Now let's hear natural, polite examples.
이거 뭐야? Is casual. 이거 뭐예요? Is polite and still friendly.
커피 좋아하세요? This is polite. Do you like coffee?
커피 좋아해? Is casual. It can be fine with a close friend, but not your first move with a new adult.
I'm hearing the habit. New person, public setting, older person, teacher, worker, use.
헤어체,
이제 짧은 대화를 들어보세요. Two coworkers meet near a coffee machine for the first time, so they use 헤요체. 안녕하세요. 처음 뵙겠습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호예요.
저는 하나예요. 커피 좋아하세요?
네, 좋아요. 감사합니다.
That felt polite, but not stiff. It didn't sound overly formal.
안녕하세요.
커피 좋아하세요?
네, 좋아해요.
Exactly. 헤어체 is polite, but it can still be warm and everyday.
Ava, repeat after me. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
좋아요. Now say, 저는 학생이에요.
저는 학생이에요.
완벽해요. One tiny note. 이에요 often flows together after a final consonant, like 학생이에요.
Now try a polite question. 커피 좋아하세요?
커피 좋아하세요.
좋습니다. That is a safe first meeting question.
Common mistake time. If someone looks my age, can I just start with,
반말,
처음에는 아니에요. Even if someone looks your age, start with 존댓말 unless the setting clearly makes 반말 natural.
반말 becomes natural when you are close, when someone invites it, or when the group already has that casual agreement.
So I should not think young equals.
반말.
I should think new equals.
해요체.
좋아요. A very useful phrase is 말 놓아도 돼요? It means, is it okay if we speak casually? But as a beginner, wait for a Korean speaker to guide this.
You may also hear 편하게 말해도 돼요. That means you can speak comfortably or casually.
Until I hear something like that, I stay in.
해요체.
Quiz time. You meet your friend's older cousin for the first time at a cafe. Which first sentence is safest?
I'm choosing A because it has.
안녕하세요. 저는 and 예요.
It keeps the distance polite.
정답은 A예요. A is polite and natural. B is casual. C is very casual. And yeah can sound rude if you are not close.
One more check. A shop worker asks if you need a bag. Which answer is natural and polite?
B. 네. 주세요.
The worker is not my close friend, so I should not using or
맞아요. 주세요 is one of the most useful polite beginner words. 정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 처음 만나는 사람에게는 해요체를 쓰세요. In English, for new people, use 해요체 first.
둘째, 존댓말은 공손한 말이고 해요체는 일상적인 존댓말이에요. In English, 존댓말 is the polite category and 해요체 is the everyday polite style.
셋째, 반말은 친해진 뒤에 쓰는 말이에요. In English, casual speech comes after closeness, permission, or a clearly casual group setting.
넷째, 헷갈리면 요가 있는 문장으로 시작하세요. In English, if you are unsure, choose a polite sentence ending with 요.
Today's keeper sentence is
안녕하세요. 저는 아바예요.
simple, polite, and ready for a first meeting.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 안녕하세요. 저는 아바예요. In English, remember this one sentence for a safe first meeting.
다음 시간에는 주세요로 부탁하는 법을 배워요. This is how to ask politely for things.
Thanks for climbing with us. Start polite first, and we'll meet you on the next rung of Korean ladder.